Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today 30 October 2023, let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. And before that I want to tell you about our MST iTrend 2.0. What is this iTrend? iCore 2.0 is entirely different from the trend following. But this iTrend indicator is trend following indicator. What is this? Trend following indicator. So here we have given many method. So by default it will be in a day time frame. So if you want to trade based on higher time frame like monthly time frame or weekly time frame, that also you can keep it. Now what will happen if we keep in monthly time frame? Basically there will be three lines formed immediately once the market has opened. The top line will be the bullish line and the bottom line will be the bearish line. It means that if the market has moved above this level, the market will be in a bullish condition. If the market has closed below this level, the market will be in a bearish mode. So this is what we are meaning to. Okay. In addition, we are giving one MGR level. That MGR level will be formed in between these three lines. Where is that MGR? So this will be formed. It looks like a CPR inside the CPR. So now on October 3rd itself we got to know that market is going to fall. So you can take one monthly put option. So from here, from 44,152 to 43,863, 300 points profit you have got here. After that no candle has closed below, we did not get any sell entry, market has given upside movement. So here market has given one close below, then we got one sell entry, then we got some 400 points profit. So again market we are trading only inside the CPR, we are calling it as MGR. So now on 18th October market has closed below our sell zone. See here perfect reversal has happened. This candle is having high volume and this happened at 10:45. Once the low of this candle is broken, this candle's low at 10:45 AM candle low is broken, we should be in a sell trade with the high of this candle as a stop loss. The stop loss is the high of this candle. Okay. So now you can see how much profit you have got. The only thing is you should be having patience. We should be having patience. Okay, how to know the target, sir? Where is the targets? Here I have given the target. Go to the settings. Here you have the option to enable the targets. First bullish targets, bearish targets. 1 to 3, 4 to 6 we have given. See how many targets have been given? Exactly 5 targets have been hit perfectly. Then after that market has reversed from here, and yesterday market has opened above this zone at 9:15, then it is going. As we are telling always, our bullish line and bearish line, in between lines also considered as the support and resistance. Okay. Otherwise you can simply follow, once the green line is broken, go for the buy, once the red line is broken, go for the sell. So this is one setup we have. What are the another setups we are having in this indicator? So here we are having dynamic buy zone, dynamic sell zone. What is this dynamic? And this dynamic supply zone and dynamic sell zone will be also working as the support and resistance only. All the indicators are based on the supply and demand. So for this, the best time frame will be 30 minutes time frame, for the long duration. Otherwise you can keep in 1 minute time frame also for the intraday, or 3 minutes also for the intraday. See, as per the 1 minute time frame, what happened yesterday, 27th October, exactly buy activated and all the targets hit. Before that, here on 27th October 11:24, sell activated, targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. Now today, if the market is opening above this level, there will be a bullish mode. Otherwise, market will fall again. Okay. So this is how we are trading in this dynamic and supply zone. What else we are having? This you know about MGR level, CPR level, and this is the breakout strategy. Whichever time frame you want to keep it, 9:15 to 9:30 you want to keep it, that you can keep it. After keeping, just enable this MGR zone 1, MGR zone 2, MGR zone 3. What it is? The session high, session low, and session pivot. So now 3 lines will be formed. Also we have given important candlestick pattern like hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, hanging man, bullish engulfing, bearish Marubozu, and bearish Marubozu. And here we have given 3 moving averages along with the super trend and VWAP. Also we have given an option for moving average crossover. So you can change the moving average numbers here whichever you want, and accordingly whenever the moving average crossover happens, so it will be notified to you. And volume candle. So based on the each candle volume also you can trade. When the candle is breaking the support or resistance, if it is having high volume, then it is considered to be a good breakout. Okay. So yesterday what happened in Bank Nifty? Perfectly first sell broken. Okay, in 1 minute time frame, first sell side broken, then we got one target. After that buy side broken, we got all the targets. Once again it has taken the retracement also from here, and it has given very wonderful target. So whichever time frame you are following, it doesn't matter, but you have to keep following the same method. So hope the method is very clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye. And one more thing, we have given one charting screener also. Using that also you can trade. How to trade that one? Just keep in 5 minutes time frame. When the first 5 minutes candles high or low broken and it is above our buy zone, you can go for the buy entry. See here, after first 5 minutes broken, here only it has got broken. Very good profit you have got. Once again we got the retracement. Very good profit. And this you can use it for stock trading with very good volume trade. Hope you have understood. Any doubts, please feel free to contact us. We will be very happy to help you. And here we have given option to have very tiny small like that, so that the range will be increased. This is the range. These ranges will be increased. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.